Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best piston ring compressors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Sten's new ring compressor kit 751-045. This is the budget-friendly option, priced at just $22.78. And it's ideal for those who need a simple and affordable solution for compressing piston rings. It includes 3 different size plastic rings and a locking clamp covering diameters from 40 millimeters to 60 millimeters. While its plastic construction may not appeal to everyone, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to handle for small engine repairs. The design is minimalistic, and the plastic rings are surprisingly durable for their price point. It's perfect for occasional use, especially for DIY enthusiasts working on smaller engines like lawnmowers or motorcycles. However, professionals may find it limiting due to its narrow size range and basic build quality. Overall, the Sten's ring compressor kit is a great entry-level option for light-duty applications. It's not the most robust or versatile tool, but for less than $23, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Pros include affordability and portability, while cons include its limited range and plastic construction, which may not hold up under heavy use. At number 4, we have the Glark's 15 pieces auto engine piston ring compressor toolset. This comprehensive kit includes 2 piston ring pliers and 13 piston rings that range from 62 millimeters to 145 millimeters, making it suitable for a wide variety of engines. The set is crafted with high-quality 4500 steel for the pliers and 65 MN steel for the rings, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The fine-toothed design of the pliers allows for precise compression in small increments, which is especially useful for professional mechanics. The ergonomic grips provide comfort during prolonged use, while the included storage case keeps everything organized and portable. However, the kit's larger size range and slightly heavier build make it better suited for automotive workshops or frequent users rather than casual DIYers. Overall, the Glark set offers excellent versatility and build quality. Its pros include a wide size range, heavy-duty materials, and a thoughtful storage solution. The cons are a slightly steeper learning curve for beginners, and its weight, which may feel cumbersome for some users. Coming in at number 3 is the Moker Automotive Engine Piston Ring Compressor Toolset. This kit is very similar to the Glark set, but includes 14 piston rings instead of 13, offering slightly more versatility. The rings cover diameters from 62 millimeters to 145 millimeters, making it compatible with most cars, trucks, and motorcycles. The pliers are made from rust-resistant chrome vanadium steel, ensuring durability and a strong bite force. This set excels in precision and ease of use. It features an adjustable locking mechanism for secure compression and leak-free seals. The ergonomic handles reduce hand strain, making it comfortable for extended use. The storage case is compact and practical, ensuring portability and easy organization. While the Moker set is highly functional, its price and performance make it best suited for professionals or advanced DIYers. Pros include its robust construction, wide compatibility, and user-friendly design. Cons are a slightly higher price point compared to similar kits and its weight, which might be an issue for some users. At number 2, we have the Moker Piston Ring Compressor Tool. This versatile kit is designed for compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, covering band sizes from 53 millimeters to 175 millimeters. It includes a piston ring plier, a compressor, and a wrench, all crafted from high-strength spring steel with a corrosion-resistant coating. Where the Moker kit stands out is its ease of use. The adjustable friction brake allows for precise compression without twisting the ring, ensuring a smooth and frustration-free installation process. At just 13.7 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Moker kit is a great balance of value and performance. Its pros include universal compatibility, durable construction, and user-friendly features. The cons are its slightly limited size range compared to premium options and the lack of a storage case. which could be inconvenient for some users. Finally, at number 1, we have the Powerbuilt Piston Ring Compressor Toolset by Alltrade. This premium option is priced at $70.34 and delivers top-notch performance and versatility. It includes 6 adjustable bands that cover piston sizes from 72 millimeters to 111 millimeters, along with ratcheting lock pliers for precision compression. The standout feature of the Powerbuilt kit is its heavy-duty build quality. The alloy steel bands and iron pliers are designed to withstand frequent use and demanding conditions. The included storage case is not only durable, but also has permanently attached instructions for easy reference. This makes it ideal for professional mechanics who need a reliable, high-performing tool for a range of engine types. While the Powerbuilt kit is the most expensive option, its exceptional quality and thoughtful design make it a worthy investment for serious users. Pros include its robust construction, wide compatibility, and storage solution. The only con is the price, which might be a deterrent for casual users or those on a tight budget. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.